Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And and hello to all my Yumilicious around the world. How are you there? So today guys, I'm gonna show you something. Actually, I bought this one from last month, and how I wish I could have this one. And finally, I got it. So of course, this one, I'm gonna use this for my cooking. Okay, so I have here the toaster oven, guys. Okay, so because now it's high tech, so before we we're using the gas range, but now we can use it only for electricity, for the electric. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what is inside of this. Okay. Actually, this one, it's a toaster oven that we can do many things here, like okay, we can toast, we can bake, we can broil. Okay, we can make a pizza as well. Okay. I have my turbo guys, but the thing is I want to change now. So here we go. It's heavy actually. Okay. Sorry. Okay. It's almost broken. Actually, guys, this is heavy. Wait. So guys, here we go now. Charan! Yes. It's very nice. It's only small, and it's easy to use. Actually, I have here this is the guide. Okay, you can see here. This is all the guide. Okay, it's easy for me to use this one. Okay. So, and also it's not allowed to put these dishes inside. Okay, so only these things. Alright guys, wow. Okay, there's some plate also, steel plate. Okay, so I will assemble this one later, guys. You can see, yes, everything it's here. Okay, this is a steel plate. Okay, so I'm gonna read this guidebook first. Okay. It's good there is also a warranty, guys. So I'm very much happy, guys, because I can make pizza. I can make some roasted chicken, in this electric toaster oven. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video, And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And also don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Bye.